What's going on? It's your boy, and I'm back with another sneaker review for you guys. Today I have the Reimagined Jordan 3s. I will be doing a comparison between the fire reds and the black cements that I have. So let's get into it. We got the shoes right here. Check it out. Actually, my pair was actually not bad. I don't see too many issues with it. You got your Nike Air on the inside there. Nike on the bottom with your slightly aged bottom there. You have your slightly aged midsole right here. You got your elephant print. The elephant print on my pair was actually pretty good. Both of them seem to match up pretty well. You guys can see Nike Air in the back. Not too many major problems with my pair. Leather is tumbled on both, looks pretty good. Can't complain really. I do find it weird that they aged the midsole, because the midsole doesn't really age on these sneakers that I notice. So I'm gonna show you guys right now in a minute. Just let me show you the fire red 3s. Pretty much the same quality, I think. Got that tumbled leather. I don't know if you guys can see, but you see how you see the stitching is on top of the, well, not on top, but before. It doesn't really match up right there. You see that stitching, and these seem to have that same stitching. See how it doesn't really match up? You can see the stitches. But if we pull out my black cement 3s from 2018, these are beat. I love these. I wear these still. They are really pretty much dead. But I don't know if you noticed, you see this white midsole doesn't age. This is what ages on Jordan 3s. So the fact that they did the midsole instead of the toe cap, it's kind of weird. But anyway, but as you guys can see, this pair has been through it all. Look at that heel drag. Still got that Nike Air in the back, but the tongue, you see the difference. You see the red comes over the top of the lip, and on these it doesn't, and it doesn't on the fire red 3s either. As you can see how it's right there. This is good leather too. I mean, all three of these are good. And what I do love is, I don't know if you guys remember back, I think it's 2012 pair, or well, some year back in the day with the black cements. This right here, all of this used to chip. All this right here used to be chipped. And look, this is from 2018. This has not one chip on it. I don't know if you guys remember that, but that was a big thing, and then they fixed it finally. I don't know if it's going to do the same thing with these white cements or these fire reds. I haven't worn the fire reds yet. I just haven't gotten to it. But these definitely, I am in love. This is perfect. These will be worn. I don't know if they'll get as worn as these, but I definitely will be wearing these. These will definitely be in the rotation sometime this year, probably by summer. But as you guys can see, elephant print on these is good. I don't have any problems with my pair. Elephant print seems to match up on both. This is a size 12.5, which I know they made more 12.5s than they did size 12s, which was rare, but I'm glad, because 12.5 is what fit me. These are a 12, the fire reds. I haven't tried them on yet, but from the looks of it, it's pretty similar. I'm not so sure if it's gonna make much of a difference. See, that's that little bit of difference right there. Let's see if I can get it for you guys. Right there, you see that little tip? That's literally all it has different. The cushioning on the black cement 3 is way more than even the fire red 3s. That cushioning is not as good as this cushioning, and these have been worn a lot, as you can see. But look at the cushioning, it's still intact. These don't have that much cushioning. Then if you compare them to the white cement 3s, it seems like there's less cushioning in the white cement 3s. I don't know, it's kind of crazy. But see the Nike Air, it's all in there. Let me show you guys the box real quick. You got your Reimagined box. It's meant to be looking all vintage and stuff. You got your size tag, 12.5 right there. Jumpman on the top. All the vintage details on it. So that's not bad. I think it came out pretty good. You got the card, and they gave it like the vintage look as well. Look at the little stitching, not the stitching, the little white from like making it look vintage. That's supposed to show you what's inside the shoe as far as the tooling and everything that it has, the upper, the sock liner, heel unit, forefoot unit, foot frame midsole, and the outsole when it all comes together. So overall, I think this shoe came out really good. I have no complaints with my pair except for that stitching that I was telling you guys about, that it kind of like stitches over. You can see that stitching on that one, and you cannot see that stitching on the black cements as much. Maybe it's because the black cements have black stitching, maybe? I don't know. It's just, you just can't see it. But what I will say, one more thing. I noticed that some of the elephant print, where it ends here and where it ends here, can differ from sneaker to sneaker. Like, okay, let's size these up, line them up properly, right? And if you look, you see how the one on the, what it would be my left, I think it would also be your left, has the elephant print point right at the end right there, and then over here it's a little bit higher. I don't know if you guys can really see that. I'm trying to line it up properly so you guys can see. And then down here, look at where this one ends, and look at where that one ends, and they're exactly right next to each other. You know, same size. One ends a little higher. Same thing with this. One ends a little higher tip, then this one ends a little bit lower. So for some reason, when it wraps around, it's not really the same size. I mean, I guess I don't know what they did with this elephant print. Also on the back tabs look okay. I don't see any difference on the back tabs. Let me know if you guys see a difference back there. I don't see anything different. Looks exactly the same to me, but definitely these will be worn. These will definitely get worn. I have to also try to break in these fire red 3s. I mean, I got these fire red 3s, I think it was on Sneakers app, maybe? I don't remember, to be honest. But I think it was on Sneakers app. They're 12 though, and this is a 12, but I broke these in like crazy. These are so worn out, and like they still fit me, but they're a little bit tight on the toe still to this day, even like that. So I usually wear them with like thinner socks, but maybe I'll do the same with these. Maybe I'll throw on some thinner socks with them, but I really do love these white cement 3s. Once again, like I said, this normally doesn't age. I don't know why they made this age and not the toe box, because the toe box is what ages, as you can see from the black cement 3s. Look at that toe box. Aged to perfection. There you go. Oof, look at that heel drag. Holy smokes. But yeah, man, you guys let me know, did you scoop these up? Are you planning on getting a pair? They're not actually that bad resale right now. The 12.5 especially is like $260, I think, on StockX. So you probably end up paying, if you don't have tax, you end up paying like $200, maybe $300. As far as these, I hope they retro these again, because these need a retro. 2018, it's been a while. I got no stars. Stars have been lost. They gone. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think of the white cement 3s. Did you get them? Do you have the True Blues? The True Blues I don't have. Those are like the one of the 3 originals that I'm missing, but maybe they'll reach retro those. I'm not really feeling that Wizards color pair. It's too close to the True Blues, so I probably won't go with those. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Rate, comment, subscribe. You know how it is. All that will help me in growing my channel, and hopefully we can make something of this channel. All right, on to the next one. Peace.